Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Udong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma ula Ther ting katanat Pulit badak sorkar jela halor ke Jingpa Pulit pahara ban Synran wat yaki beriau ki baklemdan satya kanu Jingma ha Jingim jongki bat ula ong bagani ke Jingle kala penserwa ya kapisa habe kren bat kinong thok khobor ha Assembly Secretariat ha kala sngi ublei uni menteri rangba barim gejala ula ong baki don bun ki beriau san perthei ki basha thumkam ne ki political appointees ha ka sorkar bat kini kiyo ru ringkat ki Pulit ban pahara bat Synran yaki habaki let shono bat kiyo ban le sahu ban pen I khalo ngadawa badai bandon ke jingalang jong ke State Security Commission namar omla ban shupanan kambakla ulabu jengkeli bahatu kini ki beriau ki letingkhu persya bat ki kenhun le no hadu baga Jingim jongki kala don Jingma ulabu jengkeli ru kumno ki Pulit officer ki nut ban ajingbet ban pha Synran Pulit klem nongrem yano klem kadaw babyang kebapen I baga Jingim jongki ke don Jingma shisha lada ke Jingpa Synran Pulit ke de ke baklem don kam ngindawa baladalap yaki he Pulit ki badan benta ban le yakani ngindawa bakita ki Pulit officer kin pura ya kepisa ke bala penut na ke benta kito ki bala yo Pulit pahara laberthen u Dr. Mukul habakali halor ke Jingthong kam yaki badan hakasan perthei ne ki political appointees ke bala jaru hakapor jong u ba u yalam ya ke sorkar kum menteri rangba u Dr. Mukul ulaong bama u shimla ailat ban penan kam bakla bat shimla bu bun ngut kita kinong aibut kumbalale kane ka sorkar kumta ulaong badai bandon da uput yano dei ban ai Pulit pahara namar badai tang ki bahap hakathop badon Jingma haka Jingim ki don hok ban yo jingada ban pha pathar yaki Pulit pahara kat yaki papan.
Now it doesn't end there. It goes beyond. It doesn't end in the notified persons facilities which are eligible for those incumbent political appointees. No, it goes beyond that. You go and see for yourself of various other privileges and facilities from different line departments which are being provided to them. One is the police department. Okay, one is the police department. I will be demanding for a State Security Commission meeting to take cognizance of this unnecessary wastage of money from public exchequer by misusing the police authorities. You see how many of these political appointees are provided with all kinds of so-called, what do you call them? The security cover to all those political appointees. You look at what is the category of protectee. We have the protectees for the police department to provide all the facilities. Okay, whose life is under threat? Tell me, whose life is under threat? Tell me which of these political appointees have taken, the insurgency and militancy and other issues head on to bring peace, that their life is so threatened? If somebody's life is threatened, based on which the level of protection to be given by the police for that indicated protectee has to be worked out. Now you will ring up to the SP and tell, no, give this security to this particular gentleman. This is how you want to spend money from the scarce public exchequer? No. We will have proper due diligence and accounting of everything. And if unnecessarily protection has been given by giving police vehicle, by giving police personnel to just run around with them to show off, and create that public nuisance, we will demand for refund of every spending that has been done by the officer who have provided them. The officer concerned will have to refund all this money. We will see to that. I am assuring the people of the state. Every single paisa that they have spent just to please their political bosses, going rather by deviation from the normal course of ethical responsibility vested upon them as per the law. So this is what is going to happen. So don't look at in isolation.
But if
whose money they are spending, have I not referred that they are just a custodian? But the honor is you. Honor the people. Honor the innocent people. Now suppose I have become a doctor. Okay. I have become a doctor. I had the privilege of getting the government quota. I became a doctor. But whose money was spent for educating me to make me a medical professional? Public money. Public money. Therefore, I have gone and served my people. At the remotest part where no doctor was going, that is Jingja. It was without doctor for years together preceding my joining. Then subsequently when I resigned, I funded my own money in sync with the requirement of the law to contest in the election in 1993. So what I'm trying to say is that we are there for the people. We are there for the people. I am Dr. Mukul. As a person, I'm Dr. Mukul, but I have a responsibility by virtue of the designation that is my designation. You see? Whoever may be the chief minister, it may be Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, but chief minister is chief minister. You give all the perks and facilities for that particular office, not for the person. When Mukul Sama was the chief minister, Mukul Sama received all the perks and facilities because he was the chief minister. It was not for Mukul Sama, but it was for the chief minister. That's what I'm saying. That's why whoever is eligible for all those perks and facilities by virtue of the post and in sync with the given norms, follow it. Don't deviate and misuse your power just to show off. No. I will tell you one thing. One day my daughter was coming to meet me in Meghalaya house, my eldest daughter. Then somebody asked, "Sir, why didn't you send your vehicle? Your daughter came in auto in such a heat." Yes, this is how I have grew my children.
So, but it's not a necessary evil because your time also there were many political appointments.
But did I allow them to misuse? Did you see any so-called chief ministers, advisors, so many numbers of chief ministers? How many chief ministers, advisors are there? How many? Can you count? How many did I have? How many of the political appointees were, escorted by police pilot, police escort, creating nuisance?
But are they entitled, sir?
That's what I'm asking. The category of so-called protectee is determined by virtue of the perception of threat. That's why I'm saying perception of threat. The police has to inform the public. Public has to ask, does he have a perception of threat? So also many others. That is what is law.
And how do you say people have questioned the contribution of these political appointees, and they say that it is more of a wastage?
Well, I always say that there is a price to be paid in our given democratic system, because our given democratic system revolves around the political system where you have political parties. But what I'm saying is that do not misuse it. Do it as it is necessary for the sustainability of democracy. But do not do up to that extent that it becomes a nuisance, it becomes an eyesore to the common man. Not for me, because people are coming and telling, that's why I know. Have I seen them going with those so-called misuse of those kind of facilities? I have not seen them, but it is something which comes as an input from the citizens to me, to Dr. Mukul. Sir, why are you quietly watching? People are concerned, and it is my responsibility. And I'm telling you, we will take account of everything, accountability, because every power is inseparable from the sense of responsibility.